I just got a Frappuccino from Starbucks. Apparently the lid was not on it because I went to pick it up and this is what happened. It spilled everywhere and it is like splashed up on my cabinets. Oh. So I'm gonna get my handy little Dreame vacuum mop and we are gonna clean this up very quickly.
Auto mode. The brush roller and tube are dirty. Please return to the base station for self-cleaning.
Apparently it needs to be cleaned, but I need this to be cleaned first.
The brush roller and tube are dirty. Please return to the base station for self-cleaning. Used water tank full. Please clean.
All right, so at least the mess on the floor is now cleaned up. And I'm gonna put this back on the charger so it can clean.
Charging started. Starting self-cleaning.
And that's all I have to do.